Welcome back friends to ICRA Coding Center. Today we will learn about SSMS. What is SSMS? SSMS is SQL Server Management Studio and it is developed by Microsoft. It is used for constructing, managing and administering all components within Microsoft SQL Server. Okay, so today we will see that how to create database, how to create table, how to insert data in table, how to fetch data from table, how to update the data in table, how to delete the data in table, and how to drop the database or how to delete the database. We will see all these things today, and we will be seeing all this theory like usages, what is database, what is table, what are columns in table, stored procedures, all those things will be covered today. So let's get started. First of all, you have to download SSMS software in your PC. So I have already downloaded, so just I have to search here SSMS. Here you can see, here we just have to open it. It will take few moments. Now what are usage of SSMS? SSMS is used to access, construct, manage, administer and develop all components of SQL Server. We will see it practically here that what will be its usages. Its usages will cover to create database and to create tables. Okay, so this is the screen we get here. This is the name of the server. We just have to connect. Here you can see this is called Object Explorer. Here, if you click on these databases, these are already created databases. These databases are already there. Now we have to create our own database, so we just have to click on new query. In this we will write our query and execute it, and our database will be displayed here in this list. Now this is the query window. We just have to write query here, create database Adam. So this is the query. We just have to select it and then execute it. As you can see here, our query is successfully executed. We just have to refresh it to see it here. Click on refresh. As you can see, it is here. Now there are multiple databases here. To use only this database and to create tables in this database only, we have to write another query, that is use Adam. And now select this and execute it. Now to create table, you have to write query like this, create table SSN SID, these are the columns, integer is data type, SName, varchar is a data type, 50 is the size we are giving to it, address, once again data type. Now we just have to select it and execute it. Okay, so we just missed a bracket here, no issue. Okay, so our table is created successfully. To see it, we just have to click on this and go to tables. Here we can see our table here. Now to insert data in our table, just write the query insert into SSN SID, SName, address, values 1, Muhammad California. Select it like this and execute it. Our query is now executed successfully. We will insert multiple data here. You just have to change the values here. It is very important to change the SID because SID is always unique. Just select those queries, multiple queries, and execute it. Now, to see the data, we just have to write this query. Select star from ASAD. Now execute. As you can see here, SID, name, address, our data is there and our table is created successfully and data is inserted successfully. Now we have also fetched our data successfully. Now what is the another step? We have to, if we have to update this name, right, we have to update this name, so we just have to write another query, that is update query. Here I have written all the queries. Okay, update SN set s name is equals to Rayyan, where SID is equals to, or SID here is 3, so we will give here 3. Okay, here mistake in spelling. Update SN, it's very user friendly, it gives error which you can understand. Okay, successfully updated the data. Just have, okay, here you can see our data is there. Before it was Anis and now it is Rayyan. Okay, now how we can delete the data? To delete the data, we will write here delete query, delete from SN, where SID is equals to, whichever SID you have to, whichever row you have to delete, just write that particular row. I am writing here 3. The whole row will be deleted. Okay, let's see now. See, our third row is gone now. Now, how to delete the table? To delete the table, we have to write drop query, which is this drop table. Okay, so we will write here drop table SR. Execute it. Our table is gone now. If you want to see it here, just refresh and it will be gone. Now, how to delete or drop the database? You just have to write this same query, drop database Adam or Adam. Execute it. Cannot drop database because it is currently in use. Okay, so we are using it here. We just have to close it, refresh it, or maybe take another new query window. Now we can write here drop database Adam. and execute it. Still we can't delete it, so no issues, just go here, select it, right click it and delete it. Now here click on close existing connections. Now it will be deleted. For sure it is deleted for now. As you can see here, our database is now deleted here. Okay, so that's all for today guys, and we will see it here in the PPT. Just go through this, and this is the things we have just covered today. And stored procedure, I will just give you a short review what is stored procedure. So basically a stored procedure is a prepared SQL code that you can save, so the code can be reused over and over again, so that we don't have to write queries over and over again. The reusability helps coders and database administrators very much. So this is all for today guys. Thank you for watching.